Hello trader and welcome! In this video I'll show you how the restart parameters work. In the description below I'll put a link to our documentation with all the parameters fully explained together with examples. The restart parameters let you restart your trading bot when the market keeps following a specific trend, which can be an uptrend or a downtrend. If you believe that the market will follow a downtrend, then you can consider to enable the restart with base, in this case BTC. On the contrary, you should consider the restart with quotes, in this case USDT. Let's make a short example with the help of the TradingView chart to understand it. With expected profits in BTC at 10% and in USDT at 15%, your trading bot will place two limit orders, one to buy at a price 10% lower than the first market order, and the other one to sell at a price 15% higher. After your analysis and research, you believe that if the price reaches the sell value, there is a good probability that it will rise even further than that. So you enable the USDT restart at the value you find more appropriate. In this case, let's say 5%. What does it mean? If the limit order to sell gets filled and the price rises by 5% more, the trading bot will close all the others open orders and restart itself at this value. The same logic can be applied on the other way around by enabling the BTC restart to follow the price if it falls more than expected. This is how restarts work. You will find a link in the description below to our documentation with a complete guide to the restart settings. In the next video, I'll show you how to check and manage your running bots. I'll see you in the next one.